Thanks for downloading yboo. yboo matches you to the right mobile deal. It's as simple as that. We made yboo to save you money. Open up yboo. Use your iPhone as normal. Sit back and wait for your recommendations, then click through to switch. There's no forms to fill in and you don't have to estimate your usage, so there's absolutely no hassle. We make recommendations based on price and the signal strength of your current location. You can check the signal strengths for where you work, live, and hang out. So, as well as saving you money, yboo makes sure you have great network coverage. You can also earn great rewards by sharing yboo with your friends and family, along with switching with us. Questions? Need help switching? Just let us know.